Let us understand, guys, how to find job on Twitter. Okay, how to find some freelancing job, some small internship type things. How can you find those works on on Twitter? Okay, so let us understand. For example, I am searching out. I need a digital marketer. For example, we are finding people who need a digital marketer so that we can contact to them to get a digital marketer job, okay, or a freelancing job. Now if I search this, okay, is there anyone who needs a social media manager or digital manager? I need a job and I'll work cheap. Okay, so now what can you see here is he is a digital marketer and he is finding for a job. We don't want that. Okay, we want someone who needs a digital marketer and we will work for them. Now he is someone like us, okay, who is finding a digital marketer job, but we don't want to find who wants the job. We don't want to find who are giving digital marketer. We want who wants this work to be get done. So if you go below Twitter, I need a job. Okay, so everyone here is finding a digital marketing job. So now if you see this word digital marketer has been searched out. Okay, this whole phrase I need a digital marketer has not been searched out. I am not getting the result for I need a digital marketer. I am getting the result only for this word digital marketer. So if I want this whole phrase to be searched out, the result of the whole phrase, then I'll put that phrase into quotes. So let me put quotes. Okay, now if you find, let us just see. Now if you okay, I have not added. Okay, now if you find, you'll get all the jobs in the phrase I need a digital marketer. Now can you see we are getting jobs? Okay, we are not finding the people similar to us. We'll find the people will find jobs here. I need a digital marketer that understand SEO very well. Kindly DM. I need a digital marketer as soon as possible. I need a digital marketer. Now can you see, guys? These are all the people who want someone to hire, okay, for their digital marketing work to be done. For example, let us go into latest. Okay, so we'll get the latest, latest result for this phrase. Okay, guys, please, I need a digital marketer with a graphic designing background and a copywriter. I need a digital marketer with some sort of graphic designing experience. Now can you see, guys, there are already 4 people who have given comments. So if you want to contact them, then you can tweet your reply to them. So what you can do, if you find all these jobs, tweet your reply back, revert them back. They'll contact with you and then you will have a job with you. Okay, so this is very much easy, guys. So you will get a job also. You'll find your customers also on this Twitter platform. So your work would be done in a simple way. So how can you find out your work? Whatever you are doing, okay, whatever you are specialized in, for example, digital marketing, graphic designing, or coding, web development, or then web designing, or making content for them, that is content writer. Whatever you are specialized in, whatever you are brilliant in, you have to search that thing out. I need a dash dash, put it in quotes, so that job you will get. You'll not get people similar to you. You will get people who can hire you up. Okay, so this is very easy. How can you get job on Twitter?
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.